So do you also want to send automated WhatsApp messages to all your Facebook leads? Then give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to do this. So today's objective is that whenever we receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad, I want to send them an automated WhatsApp message using Pabbly chat flow. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly chat flow. And we are going to create this connection using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads in just 5 minutes. So this is the Facebook page using which I'm running Facebook lead ads, and I want to send an automated WhatsApp message something like this to all my leads whenever they fill in the lead gen form. So to do this, I'm just going to simply open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are a new user, you first have to sign in, alright? And now I'm just going to open the dashboard and go towards this create workflow. And after coming over here towards this create workflow, I'm just going to select the workflow builder. I'm just going to name the workflow and I'm just going to select the folder right over here and click on this create button. And once I'm just going to click on this create button, it is going to open the most important window of our automation using which we are going to create this automation. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by a trigger. So first we have to set up trigger in order to set up this action. So for my trigger, I'm just going to click on this ad and now I'm just going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. So I'm just going to search for Facebook lead ads and I'm just going to simply select it. Now for the event, I'm just going to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now in order to connect this Facebook lead ads, I'm just going to go towards this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And now over here, I'm just going to select my Facebook account using which I'm just going to create the connection. So I'm just going to select my Facebook account and click on this continue right over here. And once I'm just going to click on this continue, my Facebook account has been successfully connected with my Pabbly Connect's workflow. And after connecting this, it is asking me to select the page name. So I'm simply going to select the page name for which I want to create this automation, which is Natural Glow Skincare. Then I'm just going to select the lead gen form for which I want to create this automation and click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, we have to do the test submission. And in order to do the test submission, you have to open a new tab and look for Meta for Developers. So you can simply open the landing page of Meta for Developers. From here, you have to go towards this resources, developer tools, and you have to scroll and look for lead ads RTO debug tool. And once you see a window something like this, you have to select the page and the form and click on preview form to create the test lead. I've already created my test lead, so I'm just going to open my workflow. As you can see that we have successfully captured the response of the test lead. Over here, you can see the lead details. And now I'm just going to send them an automated WhatsApp message. For that, I'm just going to close this trigger because we have successfully completed this. And now I'm just going to add the action step right over here. So to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm just going to use Pabbly chat flow. So I'm just going to search for Pabbly chat flow selected. For the event, I'm just going to select send template message and click on this connect. So to create this connection, I'm just going to click on this select existing connection and then save. If you want to learn how to add a new connection, you can simply get this API token by going towards your Pabbly chat flow settings and then API and webhooks. Alright, so I'm just going to simply click on this save. And now you can see that we have successfully connected our Pabbly chat flow. And now it is asking me for the recipient mobile number. So I'm simply going to map this recipient mobile number. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And once we insert the data from the previous step, automatically the data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm simply going to map the phone number right over here. Now it is asking me to select the template. So I've already created multiple templates. So I'm just going to select one from this only, which is FB leads. So I'm just going to select the same template right over here. Alright, and after selecting the template name, I'm only going to enter the details which are required. So I'm just going to directly move on towards the details which are required like name. So I'm simply going to map the name. For that, I'm just going to map this first name, put a space and then the last name. Then I'm just going to move on further. The next detail which is required is this body parameter. So what is this? For that, I'm just going to show you my template. And over here, you're going to see that this is my template. Over here, I have one in curly brackets, which is a variable. And I want this one to be replaced with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So I'm just going to map the value of one right over here in this body parameter, which is the name. So I'm simply going to map it right over here, which is demo user. And after mapping all of this, I'm just going to click on the save and send test request. But before clicking on this, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the message and the response received. And after replacing this, I'm just going to simply click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, yes, you can see status success message sent. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp right over here. And as you can see that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to demo user. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. And now what is going to happen is that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, an automated WhatsApp message, something like this, will be sent towards my lead. So yes, if you want to learn about Pabbly chat flow in detail, or if you want to learn about how to create this setup in detail, then a video tutorial has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and Pabbly chat flow. And while trying, if you have any doubts related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.